Hey y'all, I just got my first sale using the Done For You service and Wesley's program. Thank you so much to Wesley and Ariella. I just have to say that they set it up for you completely. You don't really have to do anything but watch a few videos, make a few clicks, and it's that in combination with Wesley's program is like really, really life-changing.
Hey, so check it out. I wanted to give a shout out to Wesley Virgin and Ariella. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to be a part of this amazing program. Wesley for creating such an amazing program to help transform people's lives and their thinking. Man, the mind is so powerful, and I had no idea how powerful the mind was as far as helping me create my own reality and things like that in my mind and thinking negative thoughts in the past. I just wasn't manifesting things so easily, and now I am. I'm telling you, if you are on the verge and you're on the fence of, I don't know if I'm gonna take this program or not, hey, trust me, do it.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Charlie, and I just want to talk to you guys about the Done For You service program for a minute. So before I joined the program, I was just completely lost. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know the step-by-step process. But most importantly, I didn't realize that mindset was the most important thing that I was missing out on. I was just taking action, but I was still talking negatively. I was still in a lot of negative programming, so I had to recondition that. And Ariel and Wesley's meditation and visualization techniques really do work, so follow them because they will help you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to just give a testimonial to Ariella and Wes for putting the Done For You service together. It's an amazing system, very detailed. You just gotta follow directions, follow everything. My main thing I would say to everybody that wants to join the system is make sure you go over the course numerous times, because you're so excited to get started, but the biggest thing is go over the course over and over again and make sure you get every single thing.
Yo, what's up, guys? Just want to shout out my Done For You service community. I just want to give a special shout out to Wesley and Ariella. God is so good. When you take action and you keep God first in your life, man, I can say blessings on blessings is to come. And with that being said, this opportunity has been life-changing.
Hi guys, I'm Carol, Kenyan living in Germany. So I want to give my gratitude, or I'm grateful, I'm thankful for accidentally coming across the Wesley Virgin advertisement sometimes last year, around December, let's say. So at this time I was just like confused. What do I want to do? I quit my school. I was studying then because of too much stress and me being a single mother. If you want to change in your life, then you have to take a risk. I took it. It was a good one, a bit troublesome, but at the moment I'm like, I've cooled down. I'm just believing in the system, and I'm hopefully thinking it's gonna function, it's gonna work at the end of it all. So far, you guys take the risk, take the chance. Nothing comes easy. Ciao.